Hey, it's Dr. Batson here. Is your child struggling with ADHD? Would you like to get your child back to having a normal life? Let's talk about the reason why most people can't seem to solve this problem. People tend to struggle so much to get past the approach of finding a pill to fix their ADHD. This is because this seems like the most obvious answer based on how regular medicine works. However, taking a pill to fix your ADHD does not take all your symptoms away, nor is it a long-term fix, unfortunately. But one thing you need to know is that it's not your fault. The schools, along with the medical community, often do not spend enough time properly assessing your child or discussing legitimate alternatives to pharmaceutical medication. If you could have the chance to resolve your child's symptoms without using a drug medication, many of which have serious unwanted side effects, wouldn't you prefer to know about this option? Watch this short video until the end to discover the best way to control ADHD. And if you're like the patients I work with, then you're probably well aware that ADHD has its serious downsides, including bad report cards, poor grades and academic struggles, disruptive behavior in class, and falling behind, struggles with social acceptance, and added stress and chaos in the home environment. Wouldn't you like one day just to be normal? But that's not the end of the problem. It actually gets worse. Children with ADHD have 3 to 7 times the risk for substance abuse, drug dependency, and addiction. Your child's future is what is at stake here, not just ADHD, which is the reason why most patients desperately want to solve this problem. Let me give you an example. A teen named Jason, not his real name, came to my office with ADHD and was having troubles in school. He had a hard time reading and paying attention for more than 5 minutes, and his grades were suffering. Jason felt socially isolated and alone because he was unable to focus, maintain eye contact, and stay in conversations. Obviously, Jason needed our help. Within 2 months of starting treatment, Jason was able to stay in a conversation for up to 1 hour and could read entire chapters of his school books without taking a break. So what's the solution? It's called the ABLE protocol, Attention, Behavior, and Learning Enhancement, which helps many of my patients see results within just 60 days. The ABLE protocol brings together the very best assessment and treatment methods available today. The best way to find out if the ABLE protocol is a good fit for your child is to actually get to speak to one of our doctors one-on-one. For this reason, we've made available to you for a limited time a 20-minute free consultation with a doctor from our clinic to answer any questions you may have in regards to our treatment. There is no obligation for you to go beyond that. Remember, many children with ADHD are well above average intelligence. Problems with inattention, hyperactivity, and impulsivity often keep them from achieving their full potential. We look forward to talking with you and helping you get your child back on track. Look to the upper right hand of this video and call the blue phone number now. You will join hundreds of success stories like Jason. Here's what will happen the moment you call the blue phone number. Our receptionist will answer the phone, tell her you would like to book a free consult, and they will do the rest. It's that simple. Remember, you and your child have been struggling with ADHD for far too long, and the pain of continuing in a state of inaction will only lead to more pain and frustration. All this can change the moment you come to our office. Picture a time when you finally have the answer you've been looking for and have started back on the road to a normal life. Do it now before something else gets in the way. If you're still watching and have not phoned, I bet you still have some questions. Here are the 3 most common questions I get and the answers to help you out. The first question I get is, will the treatment really be helpful to my child? Our treatment methods are backed by independent scientific research showing significant improvements in children with ADHD. Many children that come to our clinic are able to return to normal life following treatment. Another question I get is, will my child have to take drug medications? The ABLE protocol is totally drug-free. The final question I get is, do you really mean no obligation? Yes, we really do mean no obligation. We offer a professional environment for open discussion without feeling pressured to start treatment. To book your 20-minute free consultation, look to the upper right of this video and call the blue phone number now. Talk with you soon.